Hey, do I got a light blinking on here? Okay, good.
Let's fucking go!
You got the peak? Is there a lot? Is there a lot?
I'm close.
What's wrong?
No battery.
Hey, you want my sidearm? Or do you want my primary?
Just got here for a minute.
All right. Yeah, he's down. That's one. You want me? Oh, I got him! I got him! Holy crap! Hey, go, go, go! Go, 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 go! Get it! Bang, bang! Take it. Hey, I just bang, bang the guy. That's 2 kills. There's a guy down there. Do what?
The light.
There's a light down there? Hey, watch this. Hey, Brett, watch this side. I'll watch this.
Bro, let me go. Let me go.
Oh, he's down. Hey, okay, never mind.
You got him?
He was already down.
Window or the door?
I'm watching the window.
Yeah, okay. I can't get that door.
I'm watching. Hey, hey, we need to go to the right and get that flag. Is that flag?
Where's it at?
It's right to the right. You can see it. It's a big light. Ah, hit. That was lame. Hey, James. Hey guys, I'm back. Wait, where are they at? Okay, I got. That's 3. That's like 6. That was 2 more. That's another. Hey Brett, where are they at? Where's like James? Okay. I don't know who just hit me. Yeah, I'm coming on your right side. Gotten full area control. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that in there is our players. That's another. Yeah, I think I accidentally just like told somebody that I was on their side because my orange is on my back. They were in the mid. I don't want to kill them because I feel bad about that.
I've got it clear this way.
You got it? Hey, how bad do you want a spawn trap? How bad do you want a spawn trap?
I'm gonna take the center flag.
Okay. Yeah, take it. Dude, Carter hit. Okay, he's down. That guy's going down. That was two more. Is that another? That's another. Oh, that was close. I'm not even sure if I got him. Oh, I hit you. Take it. Hey, James, push it up on the right side. He's right here, he's right here, he's right here. James, he's right here. Yeah. This thing sounds like it's about dead. Woo! Dang. Ah. Are you orange? I'm gonna say that's a no.